Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Audi A6 safely. First, ensure your car is on a flat, firm surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels opposite to where you are lifting. Gather your tools, a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Always refer to your Audi's owner's manual for precise instructions and safety guidelines before you begin. Now, let's find the correct jacking points. Your Audi A6 has 4 specific, reinforced points along the side sills, usually indicated by small arrows or notches. These are designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. Use a flashlight to clearly see these areas. Never place your jack on the suspension, exhaust, or any plastic trim, as this can cause serious damage or instability. With your jack point identified, position the jack squarely underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so the tire is about 2 to 3 inches off the ground. Once lifted, place your 2 jack stands securely under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to the jack point. Then, gently lower the car onto the jack stands, ensuring they bear the weight for maximum safety. When you're ready to lower your Audi, first raise the vehicle slightly with the jack to relieve pressure on the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands. Then, slowly and steadily lower the car completely to the ground. Once down, remove the jack and any wheel chocks. Finally, double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to your Audi's specific torque specifications for a safe drive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.